If your mouse cursor is continuously spinning in Windows 11, this can be quite frustrating. We will explore a couple of straightforward solutions to get your cursor back to normal. First, let's check your mouse settings. Open the Windows search bar and type Mouse. Select Mouse Settings from the results. Once the Mouse Settings window is open, scroll down and click on Additional Mouse Settings. In the Mouse Properties window that appears, navigate to the Pointers tab. Here you will see various schemes for your mouse pointer. If the currently selected scheme has a pointer that is set to always spin, this could be the culprit. To fix this, ensure that the normal select pointer is chosen. After making this change, click Apply, and then OK. If changing the pointer scheme does not resolve the spinning cursor issue, we will move on to Adjusting System Services. Again, open the Windows search bar and type System Configuration. Choose System Configuration from the search results. In the System Configuration window, go to the Services tab. You will see a list of services. Look for and check the box that says Hide All Microsoft Services. After hiding the Microsoft services, examine the remaining services. If any other services are checked, click on Disable All. Then click Apply and OK. You will then be prompted to restart your computer. Performing this restart is crucial for the changes to take effect. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.